In this video, I'll be talking about how you can increase your profits in intraday trading, and there is two ways to do this. So I'll be explaining you in with the calculation in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can increase your profits in intraday trading, and there is two ways to do this. So I'll be explaining you in with the calculation in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in intraday trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced, and if you're joining today, you're getting discount in the price. And here you can see feedback and earning proof by my clients after taking the course. So all these details are in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly, and also people who had loss have recovered their loss. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here. You can go through all of these things one by one, and if you're interested and motivated to make profit constantly like this, you can WhatsApp me on the number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and get connected, and I'll be guiding you how you can make constant profit in intraday trading. I'll be teaching you, and also I'll be giving you lifetime support, and also I'll be guiding you in the live market to make constant profit in intraday trading. Okay, so guys, now let's talk about how you can increase your profits in intraday trading. So there is two ways to do this. One, you can increase your quantity, or second thing is you can increase your target what you're keeping. So let me just show you with the example. So let's say your capital is 10,000 rupees. Okay, and let's assume you're getting 17 times margin in Zerodha, bracket order, or whatever you're using. And now let's say the stock price is 260. So you're getting 653 quantity. So now let's consider 650 as a quantity. Okay, and if you're targeting for 0.5% of 260, so let me just calculate 0.5%. So it will be 1.3 rupees target. So 650 into 1.3 is 845 rupees is your profit in the investment of just 10,000 rupees. Now there is two ways you can increase your capital. Okay, so one way, there is two ways to increase your profit. The one way is increasing your capital, okay, that is the quantity what you're getting, and the other way is increasing your target. So now let's say if you're investing 20,000 rupees into 17 times equals divided by the same 260 price stock, so you will get 1370 quantities. Okay, so into 1.3, so 1781 will be your profit. So in this case, if you don't want to increase your capital, there is a riskier way of increasing your target, that is keeping like 2% or 1% as a target, but this will be a little risky. So let's say the first thing, we got 650 quantity into, let's say you're keeping 1 or 2%, so let's assume 2 rupees as a target. So still you're getting 1300 rupees profit, but this is with the risk. But you know, in intraday you don't have to keep larger targets and take a huge risk. So if you guys ask me, I will suggest you to go for compounding the capital and saving the capital. Okay, and then once the capital is increased, you'll automatically get a good profits with a less risk, that is with a less target, just by keeping 0.5%. So I would suggest you that as a best way. So these are the two ways how you can increase your profits in intraday trading. So I will better advise you to go with investing a little bit of larger capital once you're perfect by doing capital in less trading. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also you can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of this and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.